guys, welcome to Ruchira Handmade Jewelry. I am Sarita this side. Hope you are all doing great today. So today's tutorial we'll be learning a special elegant necklace. So it's called a floating necklace. I'll just show you. Isn't that lovely? So this is so colorful. You can mix beads of your choice, different colors and different shapes, and don't worry, it is not at all difficult to make and it's very easy to make, and I'm sure people are going to appreciate you for your looks when you wear this. So let's go and watch the tutorial. Thank you so much.
These are the items required. This is beading wire 0.5 mm. We need to make 4 pieces of 30 inch for a 22 inch necklace. Biocon bead, these are crackle glass beads 10 mm. Biocon is of 8 mm. 6 mm green bead glass beads. Pearls, crimp beads, these are 2 mm to 3 mm because we need to take the 4 of the wires inside, so we need few of larger size and few of small size. Bead caps, toggle clasp. You may use lobster also, no issues. First we have to take 4 crimp bead on, one crimp bead onto each of the wire, and then bring those wire through the loop of the clasp. Always when you're crimping, put the crimp bead inside first and then bring the wire through the either jump ring or the clasp, and the same wire needs to go through the crimp bead. Push that slowly towards the clasp and then tighten it. So do the similar way for all the wires. So I have all the 4 wires secured. I have tightened it with the flat nose plier and cut the excess wire. Secure with the pliers. Okay. So now I am taking a bead, metallic bead, and so all the wires are secured. So now we can start to bead. So we'll take the bead cap. This is an optional. You may take this bead cap, or you can directly start beading, no issues. I am taking here a bead cap. Just to enhance the look, so it's your choice. Also, when you use toggle clasp, it is better you have some space before placing any bead. I have kept very less space here, I later realized. So this is the metallic bead. So take one crimp bead. So this is around 3 crimp bead. So I told you initially, because if the crimp bead is too small, then it cannot go through all the wires. So we need a bit bigger one. So pull the crimp bead slowly towards the clasp. Okay, so pull it close to the bead cap and then secure it using the flat nose plier. You may use crimp tool, but it works good with flat nose plier as well. So just press it. So this is done. So now we will have to bead. I have already made 3 strands since it will take a long time. So I'll show you how to do that. So first, before taking any bead inside, first a crimp bead should go inside. Tighten it with the help of flat nose plier and then add a bead. So you can see, before taking any bead, I am keeping a distance of 1 inch minimum that is required, because otherwise the design which we are making won't be visible. The reason it is being called as floating necklace. So leaving 1 inch, I'm taking one crimp bead, then goes the metal bead, then biocon bead, then one more metal bead, and then a crimp bead. So bead does not move, it stays in the place. Randomly I have taken, there is no any bead you can take, just see to it that something is not repeating. For green bead alone I have taken only bead alone along with the crimp beads. For rest of the beads I have added metallic bead, so it gives some shine. So now I am taking the pearl. So it's very simple technique. It takes some time, but this really looks beautiful at the end. You can make either 2 strands, 3 strands, and even a single strand also looks good. You can make a pearl alone can be done in a single strand, that also looks good. So we have all the 4 strands done. Now towards the end we need to add the other side of the clasp. So the procedure is same. How we followed initially. I'm having a excess wire here, that's okay. If you want you can even add more beads, but for me 22 inches is enough. So I'm taking a metallic bead first. And then crimp it, actually crimp a bead and then take the metallic bead and take the bead cap. Now we need to take the crimp bead before taking the clasp inside. So I'm taking crimp bead on all the wires, one each. Bring those wires through the loop, and then same way the wires need to go inside the crimp bead, and then we bring it, we just pull it and tighten it and cut the excess. Or what I have done here, I brought through the crimp bead and then inside the bead cap I have brought those wires inside the bead cap like this. So slowly do it for each of the wire. Through the crimp bead and through the bead. If there is no bead cap, we will just pull it and tighten it, the crimp beads. As I told, sometimes it takes a bit time. So now I have pulled it and I am tightening towards the end. So all the wires are pulled outside the bead cap. So I cut the excess wire. So now it is done. So this is how it looks. So I'll wear and show how it looks. I'll be back. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. It's very easy. Please do try and give your comments. Thanks for watching.
I'm wearing the necklace. Hope you all loved making the tutorial. So it's very easy. Yes, it does take some time because you need to add so many clip bits here. But however, it's worth waiting, guys. So you please go ahead and make one for yourself. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you so much.